Today we are going to talk about the preparation of sugar of milk. Sugar of milk is the most in the this preparation is I will try to elaborate in the most easiest and a step-wise method. So first, what is the source of sugar of milk? The source of sugar of milk is goat's milk. The major constituent of this goat milk, if you follow the major, what are the major thing which is present in this milk? It is protein, fat, water, minerals, and sugar. So, what do we need for the preparation of the sugar of milk? We need this sugar only. For the preparation, we need only this sugar. So, we have to remove all other things step by step. First, let's start with removing the fat portion. This fat is being removed with the help of skimming. If we do the skimming of the milk, which we call double toned or toned milk, it removes all the fat portion of the milk. Now, what we have left behind with us is lactose and water, which is the fluid portion, and solid portion, protein, salt, mineral, and fat. This thing we have to remove totally from our product so that we can ultimately have sugar of milk. So, for this removal of the protein portion, we need to acidify the milk with the help of dilute HCl. When we add dilute HCl to this fat-free milk, the leftover casein, which is the protein portion of the milk, what happened to it? It precipitates. There are casein and albumin is the two major constituents which we have to remove. First, casein is coagulated, precipitated, and filtered out. This portion is known as whey. When all the albumins and all the proteins are removed, it is called whey. Whey only contain lactose and sugar. To make it whey, we have to make the pH stand at 6.2 so that the milk is again heated, it again coagulates, and the leftover albumin is also removed. This portion removes the minerals also. Now the milk we have is devoid of protein, fat, as well as mineral. Now what we have to do, we have to make it in a crystallized form. So this portion is subjected to vacuum pans. Add that vacuum pans. After this, it is dissolved in water and treated with charcoal to dry it. When you do that, you will get a crystallized form of powder form of thing, which is known as commercial lactose. This is known as commercial lactose because it has a lot of impurities. It is not pure to be used in homeopathy. So it is subject to purification. For purification, this is a very important portion because this purification method is known as Staff process. Staff, STAPH. The one very important question which is often asked as MCQ is which alcohol is used for Staff process. Absolute alcohol is what we use for Staff process in an equal proportion with water, boiling and purified water. I missed it to write water. This is water with 450 to 450 gram of commercial lactose, equal proportion of absolute alcohol, and equal proportion of boiling purified water is mixed. After mixing, it is filtered and kept for 4 days, 3 to 4 days in a cool, dry place. It is washed with water and mixed with alcohol again. This process will give us a pure powder of sugar of milk, but we have to repeat this process again and again so that all the impurities are removed in the easiest manner. This pure powder of sugar of milk is what we need to have, and this is what is needed in homeopathy. In our next class, we are going to discuss about other solid vehicle. Impurity test is also required for you people to know, which I will discuss in later combined with other vehicles.